Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain these four questions. First question is a plus b whole to the power of 7 or a minus b whole to the power of 7. So how to expand this type of binomials? These type of expansions, we know that by using Pascal triangle or binomial theorem we can expand this type of question, but I will tell you one technique how to expand this type of expansions without binomial theorem and without Pascal triangle. The second question, there are two questions in the second one, that is percentage related questions, and one is the gain and loss percentage of questions. The third one is sum of some numbers, and the fourth question is the geometry related question. So these are the four questions are very important for the competition exams, and the student face some difficulty to solve these type of questions. The first question, for example, a plus b whole to the power of 7. How to expand this a plus b whole to the power of 7? So for your purpose, I wrote here a plus b whole to the power of 7. A plus b whole to the power of 7. First you write a to the power of 7 plus a to the power of 6b and a to the power of 5 b square and a to the power of 4 b to the power of 3 plus a to the power of 3 b to the power of 4 plus a to the power of 2 b to the power of 5 and a to the power of 1 b to the power of 6, and the last one is a b to the power of 7. So this everybody knows. I am decreasing the power of a in each term and I am increasing the power of b in each term. So like this we can write. But what are the quotients? That is the very important thing. The quotients is, first quotient is always it is 1. The second quotient is, this is power is 7, you write here 7. What is the third quotient? Third quotient is nothing but 6 7s are 42. 42 divided by 2. So here 42 I am dividing by 2, so you will get here 21. So that is 21 a to the power of 5 and b square. And what is the quotient of this term? Again 5 into 21, 5 into 21 divided by 3. This is divided by 2, but next term I am dividing by 3. You will get 7, this is 35. So here you will get 35. Next quotient, you will get the same if you divide. If you multiply 35 into 4 divided by 4, again you will get here 35. And the quotients will be repeat 35 after 21. And this will be 7 and this is no quotient. So the answer is a to the power of 7 plus 7a to the power of 6b and 21 a to the power of 5 b square and 35 a to the power of 4 b cube plus 35 a to the power of 3 b to the power of 4 plus 21 a to the power of 2 b to the power of 5 and plus 7a b to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 7. So this is the expansion of a plus b whole to the power of 7. For example, if minus is there, I want to write a minus b whole to the power of 7. You need not to change anything, just you write as it is a to the power of 7, 7a to the power of 6b and 21 a to the power of 5 b square and 35 a to the power of 4 b cube and 35 a to the power of 3 b to the power of 4 and 21 a square b to the power of 5 and 7a b to the power of 6 and last term is b to the power of 7. But here sign, the first term will be always positive, the second minus, this become plus, this is minus and this become plus, this is minus, this become plus and last one is minus. So like this we can expand such a type of binomials without using the Pascal triangle and without using the binomial theorem. So like this, but you need to know that if the power is 7, there are 8 terms in the expansion. If a plus b whole to the power of 7, if you expand it, you will get 8 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms you will get. So how to write the quotients means, the first there is no quotient, if power is there, I wrote here 7. For second purpose, this quotient purpose, what I did, 6 7s are 42, you divide by 2, you will get 21. In the next term purpose, 5 21s are, and you divide with 3, you will get 35. For next quotient purpose, these two multiply divide by 4. So afterwards the quotients will be repeated. While you are writing the minus expansion, First is plus, and afterward alternate. If you change the symbols, you will get the expansion of a plus b whole to the power of 7 or a minus b whole to the power of 7. If you keep this in your mind, just you write 2x plus 3y whole to the power of 7. You write what are the expansion of this one. You try by using this technique, you can write this one very easy. Thank you. Next question. If I go for the second question, you see the second question is very important. In so many competition exams, these type of questions will be asked. That is, CP is 40% of SP. CP means cost price is 40% of SP. What is the percentage of gain on CP? So CP means cost price and SP means sale price. Here you see CP is 40% of SP. Let SP you say that, let SP is equal to, you say that 100 rupees. For example, SP is 100 rupees. Therefore, CP is 40% of CP is 40% of SP. That is equal to 40 by 100. Our SP is 100. We will cancel. So this is 40 rupees. Now I got CP and I got SP. So what is the gain percentage? Gain is equal to, gain percentage is equal to gain by CP cost price into 100. This formula everybody knows. So gain percentage is equal to gain by CP into 100. If you want to find the loss percent, means loss by CP. CP will not change. Loss percent means loss by CP into 100. Here I got, according to my question, gain is 40 rupees and this my CP is 100 rupees. My gain is equal to, gain is equal to SP minus CP, that is equal to 100 minus 40. I got 60 rupees. This is my gain. Now I want to find the gain percent. Gain percent means gain by CP. Cost price is 40 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. This is 2s are, 5s are. This is 30. That is 150%. Gain percent is 150%. So by seeing this question, we will get some confusion because CP and SP is not given. In this type of questions, you need to assume that SP is 100 rupees. By that you can find the CP. CP is the 40% of SP. By that you can find the value of CP, that is 40 rupees. So he is asking gain percentage. So you need to find the first gain. Gain is nothing but selling price minus cost price. So my selling price is 100 and cost price I got 40. By that you will get 60 rupees is the gain. If you put these values in the gain percent formula, that is gain by CP into 100. If you solve it, you will get the 150%. So the answer is 150%. Gain percentage is 150%. The next question, if you see this second question also, in the second question also, percentages only. Sometimes this type of questions also is given. So it is very interesting and it is very simple if you know the process. If 20% of A is equal to 40% of B, what is the ratio between A and B is asking. So here given that 20% of A is equal to 40% of B. Then 20% of B means 20 by 100 into A is equal to 40 by 100 into B. So 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, here 2s are and 5s are. So I got A by 5 is equal to 2B by 5. So 5 cancel, A is equal to 2B, then A by B is equal to 2 by 1. Therefore, A is to B is equal to 2 is to 1. So this is the solution of the given question. So what is the given? If you understand the given thing, it is easy to find the ratio between A and B. So 20% of A is given as a 40% of B. So from that I form a relation between A and B. From that I got the value A is to B is equal to 2 is to 1. So such a type of questions also you will get in the examinations. So you need to concentrate on percentages also. But this third question is very, very interesting. These type of questions you will get so many times. So here the sum of some numbers is given. In these two questions, if you will observe, this is the first question you say and this is the second question. So first question, if you'll see that 61 plus 62 plus 63 plus up to 100, what is its sum? He's asking what is its sum. So here, to find the sum of these numbers, I will tell you one technique, but while applying this technique, you want to observe whether the difference is same or not. If it is started at 1 or not, it is not at all to required, but the difference between the given two numbers are equal or not, you want to see. So 61 and 62, the difference is 1, and 63 and 62, the difference is 1. Whatever it may be, the difference is 1. So in this type of questions, you need to find the sum means, I will tell you sum is equal to average into number. What is average and what is number? So the technique to find this type of questions is average into number. So what is average means, you add the first term and the last term and divide by 2. So 61 plus 100 by 2 into number. How many numbers are there in the given series? So this is from 61 to 100, there should be 60 numbers. So this is 161 by 2 into 60, sorry, there are only 40 numbers, I am sorry. 61 to 100, there are only 40 numbers. If you cancel this, you will get here 20. So the answer is 161 into 20, 0, 2, 2, 1, 3. 3220. The answer is 3220. So this is the formula to find the sum of given numbers. This formula will be applicable when the series numbers are having the same difference between two conjugative terms. The sum is equal to average into numbers. So like that you will get the answer. The average is nothing but the first number and the sum of the last number by 2, and divide, and how many terms and how many numbers are there, that with that number you want to multiply. So by that you will get the answer easily. But in the second case, it is somewhat difficult. That is given as 5 plus 12 plus 19 plus ... plus 75. Here, first rule, if I want to apply this condition means, first rule is whether the difference is same or not. The difference is same here. 12 minus 5 is 7, 19 minus 12 is 7. So like that the difference is same. So here also sum is equal to, you can put my formula, that is average into number. Here average means the first number and the last number. This is 5 plus 75 by 2 into numbers. How many numbers are there? You see, the last number is 75 and the first number is 5. 75 minus 5. 75 minus 5, there are 70, but the difference is 7. By 7, if you divide with the total numbers is 10 plus 1, there are 11 numbers. So here the total numbers are 11. So 75 plus 7, 80 by 2 into 11. This become 40 into 11. This is 440. 440. The sum of these numbers is 440. Like that, you can get the answer. So 40 into 11, 0 into 4, 4 into 11 is 44. The sum of these numbers are equals to 440. Here, while doing these type of questions, you want to concentrate on number of terms in the given this. 75 minus 7. So 5 also added. That's why total numbers in the given series is 11. So like this, we can find the number of terms in the given series. So same formula, sum is equal to average into numbers. So this answer I got 440, and this answer I got 3240. So like this, we can find the sum of given terms. So if you write some terms and you practice with this formula, you can find easily sum of all these numbers. The last question from geometry, it is very interesting question. So many times it is asked in some exams. So if you concentrate on the figure, you will get the answer easily. While solving this question, students should know the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. For example, this is a circle and this is the diameter. If you draw any angle in the semicircle, this will be 90 degrees. This is the first concept a student should know. And the second concept we should know, in any right angle triangle, already I told you angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees, hence it is a right angle triangle, hence it is a right angle triangle. For example, if I draw a perpendicular on hypotenuse, this will be the hypotenuse AB, and you say this is ABC is a right angle triangle. I draw 90 degrees on the hypotenuse. For example, this part is A and this part is B and this part is C. So C square is equal to A into B. This we know very well. So this is the second concept we should know. So by using these two concepts, we can solve this question. So in this question, what is given means, this is a circle, this is AB, AB is equal to 10 centimeters, AB is equal to 10 centimeters is given, and this is 5 centimeters is given. Here it is a 90 degrees. He is asking to find the radius of the circle. He is asking to find the radius of the circle. So if you draw this figure, similar figure like this, so this is the diameter, O is here and it is a perpendicular, this is 5 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter, and this part, if I extend this one, this part is as X. So if you join all this like this, then it is a right angle triangle. Now only I told you, then phi square is equal to, this square is equal to, phi square is equal to 10 into X, I mean A into B. So 10 into X, phi square is 25, that is equal to 10X. X is equal to 25 by 10. So therefore X is equal to 2.5. I got here, this part is 2.5. Now the diameter of the circle is, diameter is equal to 10 plus 2.5. So diameter is equal to 12.5. Therefore radius is equal to 12.5 by 2. So that is 6.25 centimeter. So the radius of the circle is 6.25 centimeter. Just I extended this up to here. Therefore you say this is ABCD. Therefore AD is the diameter and you join these two. Now it is become a right angle triangle because the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees, and I applied the right angle triangle rule. This square should be equals to the product of these two parts. I mean 10 square is equal to 10, sorry, 5 square is equal to 10 square plus this part I assumed as X. So 10 into X. By that rule, I got 10X is equal to 10.5 and I got X is equal to 2.5. If X is 2.5, the diameter should be 10 plus 2.5. The total diameter is 12.5. So he is asking radius. So you make it to two parts, that is 12.5 by 2. You will get 6.25 centimeters. So these four questions are very, very important to solve. And the first question, how to expand these type of questions. And the second question is on the CPA, cost per unit, sales price and gain. The third is the percentage question. The third question, the sum of some numbers, and the fourth question is from geometry. So if you practice these type of questions, it is helpful, and these are some complicated questions. While solving these questions, you need to apply some techniques. Thank you.